Hey, welcome to Coffee Break. Success is loving what you do. Hey, sit back with your favorite beverage, coffee, soda, iced tea, whatever. Join me for a few minutes as we answer a couple viewer questions on today's Coffee Break. And the first question comes from JK Tech, who writes, how long do you think the full-size PC, that's the desktop, market will hold out against laptops and ultrabooks for portability? Why do you think about this? Kind of having a hard time understanding your question. Desktop and ultrabooks and laptops are totally different markets. But if I'm guessing correctly, I think maybe what you're asking me is how important will the desktop PC market continue when people are purchasing more and more mobile devices? How well will desktops hold up to the onslaught of mobile computing? That would be my best guess. The first thing I'm going to say, there's going to be a market for many, many, many years to come for desktop PCs. There's too many people that enjoy gaming that love building their own custom rigs, or they want the power that a desktop PC offers at the price point that laptops and ultrabooks cannot offer. Or if they do, they're insanely much more expensive machines. So that market for desktop PCs isn't going anywhere soon. I think we all would, well, I can't say we all, but I think many of us would love to have a device, about the size of a phone that was our primary computer, that would wirelessly dock to, say, monitors, mice, keyboards, and allow us to run our favorite applications, have all of our data, and just have this one little device. For some people, the phone right now is more than enough computer to take care of their needs. But I see a day coming. I do. I see a day coming when, these things will be powerful enough to be and have that connectability to monitors and keyboards and all that wirelessly. You can just take your phone, set it down, boom, your applications are running in a virtual environment in the cloud, and they'll just come right up on your monitor, and wherever you go, you'll have access to computer. We still have a little ways to go for that. But ultimately, I think for most people, that would be just fine. But for the serious enthusiasts, the creative professionals, the one that demand the absolute most performance, the desktop PC isn't going to go anywhere soon. The second question we have today comes, and I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but Kaux, K-A-U-X, X silent, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, writes, could you elaborate on the stability? My voice is shot. I'm sorry, folks. I've been on the phone all day. But can you elaborate on the stability of Windows 10? Any tips or tricks necessary to make it work? I have had it in two machines. One crashes regularly, and the other one reboots randomly. Well, without knowing the specs of the machines, what hardware's in there, what drivers are installed, etc., I'm going to tell you this much. Getting tested hardware for Windows and building machine that way. Tom's Guide, was it Tom's Hardware? Great resource. There's a lot of good resources to check and see how well different components work with Windows. But generally speaking, I wonder, in your case, if there isn't a common denominator there. Some application driver piece of hardware that is common on both machines that would be causing problems for Windows. I can tell you that on my machine, if I have a USB 3.0 external drive plugged into it, she won't boot. Won't happen. Or if I have a powered USB 3 hub, it won't boot. It won't happen. Does that mean it's Windows' fault? No, it's a hardware issue of some kind, probably on the motherboard level, something going on there, because it's an older gigabyte motherboard. Just when USB 3.0 was coming out, so I figured that's the problem. And I wonder in your two machines if it's something to do with the hardware, some similar thing going on. Maybe you've got external devices that could be causing some type of conflict. Really, there's some troubleshooting I would do on the machine that refuses or will reboot. Make sure there's no external peripherals running on there. Good clean install of Windows. Make sure you're running the latest drivers for your hardware and see if that is the problem. It could be bad, faulty RAM. It could be something going on with the power PSU. There's a lot of different things. Here's my point. I'm pointing the finger at the hardware and not the operating system. That's what I'm trying to say in this video. So yeah, that's it. This is going to be kind of a short one today. My voice is kind of shot, but I wanted to get this video out to you. Look forward to your comments down below. Bruce Nadler, take care.